Are you getting ready for a hearing or a trial that's about to take place, and you're wondering whether or not this is your only recourse to have the court hear both sides and come to a conclusion? Well, my name is Aaron Grubb. I'm the Tahlequah attorney at Worth Law Office. In this video, we're going to talk about settlements at the courtroom steps. So, just this last week, we had a situation in which we were had a very short notice hearing come up, and we put work into overdrive and made sure that we were prepared and ready for this hearing. And so whenever the time came for us to start making our way to the courtroom, we saw the opposing party, and just then they were kind of having a little bit of small talk, and then they pulled our lead attorney aside and said, "Hey, what about settling?" And that was so outside of the realm of what we thought was going to be a possibility that day. But it really goes to show that it could happen at any point. There's people that don't want to have the court, listen to both sides and make a very emotionless decision just based on the facts or any admitted evidence. The court will always look at settlement negotiations in very favorable light. They want people to actually go through the settlement process, the mediation process, and get things resolved outside of the court. And this is for two reasons. I mean, this first, it saves everyone money because you're not having to pay for a trial, you're not having to pay for filing fees, exhibits, that sort of thing. It really allows for and second, it allows for a more personalized settlement, and you can bring your ask to the table, and they can bring their own asks or concessions to the table, and you guys can really hammer out a agreement that the court probably wasn't able to actually mandate. So such as things like taking down problematic posts or making a statement. The court can't really can't force or order anyone to do these things because of First Amendment protections. But in a settlement conference, you can absolutely ask for these sort of concessions and to make sure that you feel the full relief that you believe that you're entitled to. So it's important to make sure that you navigate all sorts of routes of resolution to your case. Sometimes settlement's not an option. You do have to actually go to court, but it's always worth keeping settlements in the back of your mind. So if you have a question or you've got any kind of other legal questions, contact me. Again, my name is Aaron Grubb. I'm the Tahlequah attorney at Worth Law Office. Thank you.